In space, no one can hear you scream. This is because there is no air in space, it is a vacuum. Sound waves cannot travel through a vacuum. Outer space begins about 100 kilometers above the Earth, where the shell of air around our planet disappears. The hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and has an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. Interestingly, Venus is not the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is closer, but because Mercury has no atmosphere to regulate temperature. Nobody knows how many stars are in space. That number is between 200–400 billion stars, and there are estimated to be billions of galaxies, so the stars in space really are completely uncountable. Don't forget, Halley's Comet has a 76-year orbit. It was last here in 1986 and won't be back again until 2061, that's about 57 years from now. The comet crosses that plane near to the Earth's orbit. The suit has a mass of 47 pounds, 21 kilograms, without a life support backpack, and costs only a fraction of the standard $12 million cost for a flight-rated NASA spacesuit. The result is that neutron stars can rotate up to at least 60 times per second when born. If they are part of a binary system, they can increase this rotation rate through the accretion of material, to over 600 times per second. The Moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, rover prints and discarded material, will be there for millions of years. A day on Venus lasts longer than a year on. On Venus, one rotation on its axis takes the equivalent of 243 Earth days, and the planet's orbit around the Sun takes the equivalent of 225 Earth days. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light-years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. The largest asteroid is Ceres, which measures up as 600 miles, 965 kilometers, across. Dr. Thomas Kernan, Associate Professor in Earth Science at Southampton University, said, "In the asteroid belt, fitting somewhere between Mars and Jupiter, space rocks sometimes collide." Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.